That'd be a good camping area, but why would you want to camp next to the road? I think it's just good for... Yeah, I think a picnic would be just fine. And look, you can get there from the road too, so there must be parking maybe over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you might be right.
Get across again.
Yeah, that'd be a rough ride, wouldn't it? But I see bike tracks though. Oh, I thought we did the cow pies first. So we do the hangover first?
Cow pies is on the end.
Oh.
Where do you want to go?
Well.
Right there. Come on, get out into the guts.
Look at how wide this drainage is, Kelly. Look at that.
That's quite a drainage.
And there's also been deer in here, or cows, I'm not sure. Look like a deer hoof to me. Wow, it's nice drainages here.
Mountain's got to be one of my top 10 hikes.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Another hike I really like is Quartz Peak. I wish that was closer. I don't think so.
Now are you, okay.
That's 4, isn't it?
Yep. Ooh, this is a slippery rock here.
We're covered in
Dirt, and I know, since I seem to be prone to falling.
easily land on my ass.
I can't get over the drainages are just massive, and the water is running. So big. That'd be fun to hike on this, just come down the drainage, huh?
It would if
As much as we like that, as long as you can have a bypass, which it looks like you can probably bypass just about anything you would need to.
shallow and doable.
Mm-hmm.
At least one of them. Or thus far.
Yes, we're at the bottom though, so. Oh wow, that's a cool one. Wow, that's cool. Oh, cattails. Withered, but cattails. Ooh, wow. I like. That's nice. Who knew we were going to get to do our favorite kind of hiking? Very cool.
Right.
Is it?
Yeah.
Does your...
To take it right from that shadow. I really like this. This is fun.
Mm-hmm. It's a little slippery here. Right to your right. Yep. I'm guessing unless that's still part of the bypass, the equestrian bypass. Oh, I see tire tracks. I like how the rock is filled in here. That's so pretty.
Yep. Look up here. This drainage, that's neat too.
Oh yeah. Very cool. Look at this whole view. It's pretty amazing, huh?
This is neat.
So may have to come back with the other camera and go the other way.
Okay.
Just because it's a better camera.
I love it.
And then maybe what we can do on the other time, make it a longer day and check out those arches.
You know what that's called?
That arch?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. I have to pull out the map though, because it's a long, kind of a long name. Starts with a P, I think. He should have a disclaimer on the Route Scout that says 10 minutes if you're not tibber. Or if you're not in tibber mode.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's more.
Well, there's a lot to
Look at the giant berries on this tree.
Oh, mine. Yep.
Holy cow. Trees and such, huh?
Go first, then.
The light's kind of yucky, but...
We're not climbing, so go.
Okay.
It's good for you.
Ooh. And I like the constant changes, you know.
Yeah.
Yep.
Keep begging a career.
Yeah.
Yeah, you keep trying to tell me you're not a peat beggar.
Well, I'm certainly not intentional.
The best one was brown.
Yes. Yeah, I know. Oh, look at the holes here. Oh, there was something in there, I think.
Yeah.
No?
Some kind of drilling.
Looks like to me.
A railing or something.